Are you tired of harsh chemicals ruining the cozy vibe of your home? Say goodbye to those toxic cleaners. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to transform your space with our eco-friendly approach. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of a clean, safe environment for you and your family. Our professional team uses sustainable cleaning solutions that not only make your home shine, but also protect the planet for future generations. Imagine a cleaning service that helps you prepare homes for sale, improve property showings, and close deals faster, all while being kind to Mother Earth. Our quick turnarounds ensure that your home is ready, even on short notice, so you can focus on what truly matters. Plus, our special attention to detail guarantees that your space looks its absolute best before open houses or buyer visits. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit, inviting space helps buyers envision their future home. Ready for a cleaner, greener lifestyle? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Your home deserves the TidyTex touch.